Ever wondered how to leverage an already popular platform for your business growth? Welcome to the world of platform commandeering, a critical strategy in the digital age. It's all about finding a platform that echoes with your business niche. If done effectively, commandeering a popular platform can be a game changer for your business. Commandeering a popular platform involves several key steps. First, it's pivotal to understand the platform's terms and conditions. This is crucial to avoid any potential pitfalls and to use the platform within its guidelines. Next, focus on optimizing your profile. It should be engaging, clear, and align with your brand's identity. Now let's talk about content. It should be engaging, relevant, and tailored to the platform's audience. Remember, quality trumps quantity every time. Once you've created your content, it's time to leverage the platform's features. Use hashtags, location tags, or any other feature that increases your content's visibility. The final step is to redirect traffic to your own website or app. This can be achieved by including links in your bio, posts, or through direct messaging. But remember, the key is to do this subtly so as not to seem too promotional. Remember, the goal is to leverage the platform's popularity to increase your own visibility and traffic. Before we wrap up, let's quickly revisit the key points we've discussed. Grasping the essence of the platform is pivotal. Don't forget to optimize your profile and content, ensuring they align with your brand. Use the platform's features to your advantage and redirect traffic to your own site or app. Always respect the platform's terms and conditions to avoid any pitfalls. Commandeering a popular platform can be a powerful strategy for business growth, but it requires careful planning and execution. So, get started today and see the difference it can make for your business.